butter chestnut, tangerine, pork bone, dry dates, honey dates, and kudsurot. And the other one is lotus. Ayan o. Lotus root. Ayan. Ayan ang ating lungsok for today is pork bone, butter chestnut with tangerine, and also we have a octopus, dried octopus. That's a dried octopus. Here the dried octopus. And also I put a dried scallop. But it's up to you. It's okay if you don't